Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to create templates in DocHub. Whether you're working with contracts, agreements, onboarding forms, applications, or other frequently used documents, templates can save you a lot of time by eliminating the need to recreate the same files over and over again. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and open the document you want to turn into a template. If the file isn't already in your account, upload it and make sure it's fully prepared before creating the template. Next, review the document and remove any information that shouldn't appear in future copies. Leave only the content, fields, and placeholders that you want users to fill out each time the template is used. After saving the template, verify that it appears in your templates library or document management area. This confirms that the template has been created successfully. Once everything looks good, start using the template whenever you need a new copy of that document. This can significantly speed up your workflow and reduce repetitive manual work. And that's how to create templates in DocHub. By turning frequently used documents into reusable templates, you can save time, improve consistency, and streamline your document management process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.